Hey there, it's Mugdho and welcome to another video. Today we'll learn the Blender self-fracture add-on. Without wasting any time, let's start our video. By this add-on, you can break any objects in Blender and make your own animation and give it a more efficient look. Now, let's start our video and click the Blender and open it. I'm using Blender 4.2, the latest version of the Blender. You can use any version. First, I will select all the objects and click X to delete. Now it's clear. Again, click on Edit, go to the Preferences, search for Self-Fracture, and if it unmarked, simply mark it. If you don't find it, then click here Install from Disk and click on Downloads and select it and install from disk. You'll find a link on my Discord server or the description in this video. By clicking this, you will find this website, and when you click here, it's automatically start download. Now we are back to Blender. Now we will add a plane for our surface by scale it XYZ. Yes, now it's look good. Now I am adding a mesh object. I'm adding a monkey. I'm scaling it. Also scale it up. Yes, now it's good look. And now I will go to the object mode, quick effects, and select the self fracture. I will set it default. You can adjust as your wish and click on OK. Then it start to break it. It takes a time and it needs a very heavy GPU to done it. Okay, now again we'll go to the object rigid body and add active. Now if we play the space button, then you can see it break down. Now we'll select the first one and delete it and click the plane and again go to the objects rigid body, add add passive. Now you can see it's completely broken and fall in the ground, surface. You can also break any object in Blender, but it's different in the cube. I'm showing you. First, delete all the objects. I'm adding a mesh as a surface and scale it. Click on object, rigid body, add passive. Also add a mesh cube and scale it up. And select it, or go to object and rigid body, add active. Now again go to the edit mode, click the right button on your mouse and subdivide it. I am subdivided 2 times. Now again go to the objective mode, click on object, quick effects, self fracture. I am set it as the default. It's take some moment to load. After a while,
I will click on Object, Rigid Body, and Add Active. And I will press this space and you can see it completely broken. If you want, you can delete it. Again, I am playing. You can see the cube is completely broke into pieces. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.